Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back to another recap of the Atlas Brew. This week marked a massive milestone as the community gathered for episode 198. Between some classic April Fools, pranks involving fake pregnancies, and bleached uniforms, the vibe was electric as the team dove into some of the most anticipated updates for the Star Atlas ecosystem. From a deep dive into a brand new tabletop RPG to a first look at the C4 public test realm, there was a lot to cover. The show kicked off with Jose sharing a passion project that's been brewing behind the scenes, the Stratos RPG. While the game's production continues at full speed, Jose has been using AI tools to fast-track a proprietary tabletop RPG system set within the Star Atlas universe. He introduced the Amber Coil campaign, a journey through the ruins of Harkins. This isn't your standard class-based RPG. Instead, it focuses on the unique biology and skill sets of the various species, like the augmentation-heavy humans or the high-risk, high-reward Oostercore mechanics. The goal here is to deepen the lore and give players a new way to interact with the IP, and Jose is even looking for community members to help playtest the system during future Lorekeepers meetings. The excitement shifted gears when the team shared an exclusive sneak peek at the C4 PTR. For those following the technical side of the metaverse, this was a big moment. The video showcased a complete Starbase reconstruction with a slick, intuitive new UI designed by Danny. Beyond the aesthetics, the real news is the transition to the Starframe architecture. This new tech is proving to be much faster and more reliable than the previous anchor-based system, which should mean fewer failed transactions and a much smoother experience for everyone. While a firm release date is still under wraps, the team confirmed it's officially the next major project in the quote shipping lane. In other news from the event, the discussion moved to the latest updates for Holosim. To keep the gameplay fresh, the team is introducing over 300 new combat achievements. John and Jose joked that they wanted to give players reasons to kill each other beyond just mining, focusing on individual and faction-based goals. They also detailed a massive ship balancing pass. We're looking at new stats like shield break delay and specialized repair roles that make smaller ships like the BYOS line more viable as defensive escorts. All of this leads up to the Super Phoenix event, a recurring AI-driven scenario where players will have to hunt down specific fleets and eventually face off against the Super Phoenix itself. The community spirit was on full display throughout the session. There was a huge shout-out to Funcracker, a pillar of the community, who was celebrating his birthday while simultaneously watching one of his DAO proposals pass by a landslide. Meanwhile, the team urged everyone to check the Atom Pip vote, which was neck and neck, reminding everyone that in the Star Atlas DAO, every single vote truly counts. To wrap things up, the team reminded everyone to stay vigilant in the broader Solana ecosystem and keep an eye on the sneak peek channels for that C4 video. With episode 200 just around the corner, the momentum is building. Make sure to get your DAO votes in before the deadlines. Reach out to Jose if you want to join the RPG playtests, and we'll see you in the next brew.